Hello and welcome to Logic Charts. In today's video, I am going to be going over some of the basics and some of the parameters for the LogikUltimateRenko bar. But before we get into that, what I'd like to do is a quick comparison of the traditional Renko brick, which is what we're seeing over here on our right, and the LogikUltimateRenko, which is over here on our left. Now, before we even do that, what I'd like to first do is I want to show you how a Renko brick is made. So I'm going to bring up my crosshair real quick, and let's just take these downtrending bars right here and use these as a quick example. All right, you're going to notice that with this first red brick right here, I need price to close at or below 81 in order to start forming another brick, which is what I get over here. Now, in order for this brick to close, price has to travel 4 ticks in the direction of the downtrend, and then we form yet another brick. And once again, it needs to close at or below 77. We need to move 4 ticks for it to close at or below 73 to form another brick to the downside. You guys get the picture. The same thing goes for bars moving in an uptrend. Price needs to move 4 ticks, close at or above the high right there of that brick in order to form another brick to the upside. So let's do a quick comparison. And what's the big difference between a traditional Renko chart and the LogikUltimateRenko chart? The first thing that I want to point out is with the LogikUltimateRenko, you're going to see these little tails here. What these tails do is they're going to give you an accurate reflection of true highs and true lows regarding price. You don't get that with traditional Renko bricks, which is what we're seeing over here. Let me go ahead and show you real quick. I'm going to center mouse click on this brick right here, and you're going to see that there's a high of 94.89. Now let's go to our LogikUltimateRenko chart, and once again I'm going to center mouse click, and you're going to see that the actual high was 94.90. So that's a 1 tick difference. So we get a more accurate reflection of true highs and true price action with the LogikUltimateRenko chart. Some of the advantages to using the LogikUltimateRenko brick, not only does it reflect the true highs and the true lows, but with the wicks, particularly if we've got a large wick to brick ratio, this is going to help illustrate either strong indecision, or in this case right here, it actually showed us where we had a reversal if we look at these 2 bars right here. Let's go ahead and let's dig into some of the parameters, and let me show you what these LogikUltimateRenko bars can do. Let's go ahead and then let's discuss the open percent. These bars are actually really easy to apply. Simply right click on the chart, go to data series, hit your bar type, come down. I'm going to go to my LogikUltimateRenko. And since I'm using 75% over here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to leave this set at 25% for an open percentage. I'm going to leave my reversal percentage at 200% just so you can see the difference. That way it matches my 200% over here on my chart on the left. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click OK. And as you can see, we've got quite a difference in what we see here on our right-hand chart as compared to the left-hand chart. Simply put, by setting the open percent to a lower value, it's actually going to decrease the amount that the market has to move in the direction of the trend in order to create a new bar. So in this case, like I said, I've set it at 25%. I'm going to bring my crosshair back up here again so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. And what you're going to see here is, let's take this first reversal bar right here with this long wick. You're going to see that price needs to close at or below 82, and it needs to travel to 81 and then close at or below 81 in order to continually just keep these bars moving in a downward trend. Now, by using a smaller percentage, what this is going to allow, it's going to allow for smaller steps in price to create more trending bars. As you can see over here, we've got our high right here, and our chart on our left, we've got our high right here. But you're going to notice we've got way more trending bars on our chart here on the right-hand side as compared to bars we've got here on the chart on the left. Now you do see that with the chart on the right-hand side, we have really smoothed out our price action. Now, as you can see, by using the smaller percentage, this helps smooth out the price action. And although the price action is smoothed out, there is no added lag when using this type of algorithm. Additionally, another thing that we need to note is that when the underlying data is smoothed in this matter, indicators that are applied more closely represent the market, and the responsiveness of those indicators can actually be amplified. Now let's go ahead and let's cover the reversal percent. As I previously explained, a new brick is going to be created in the direction of the trend when the price moves the brick size in ticks from the opening price of the bar. Now, to form a reversal brick, the price must move in brick size times the reversal percent in ticks from the opening price of that bar. Now, this parameter is a powerful modification that's going to allow the LogikUltimateRenko to more clearly and accurately depict the trend direction and to minimize those spurious reversals. The higher the reversal percent, the more accurate the reversal is likely to be. Let me go ahead and show you. Let's take a look at our chart on the right-hand side. I'm going to bring up data series right here. I'm going to continue, and I'm going to keep the 4 brick size. And I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to change my open percentage to match the chart on the left of 75%. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to change the reversal percentage. I'm going to get a little drastic here, and I'm going to say 400%. And I'm going to click OK. You can basically see that through both of these charts that as the reversal percentage increases, the reversal is more accurately dictated. The gold bars that you're seeing here in the video is actually the Logic Ultimate Phantom Brick Indicator that's going to display which bricks are filler bricks at the reversal point. So whenever a reversal percentage is greater than 100%, the phantom bars may be drawn. A phantom bar is basically a filler bar that is drawn instantly because there's a jump in price. Now, the reason why one or more phantom bars are drawn at a reversal rather than just one true close bar, it's to eliminate the jump in price that would be created if only one bar was drawn at that particular reversal point. A jump in price means that a jump in the data that is feeding an indicator that can cause an overshoot or a lag in the result of the indicator. Now, the 2 other indicators that we offer separately are going to be the Logic Ultimate Brick Complete, which is going to help show you where the price must go in order to create a trending brick or a reversal brick. And we've also created the Logic Ultimate Brick Size Compute Indicator, which actually helps you determine what size brick you should be using for any particular instrument in accordance with how the markets are actually moving. Okay, that concludes our video for the LogikUltimateRenko brick. If you have any questions or any comments, please contact us here at Logic Charts anytime. Thanks and have a great day.